If you hate ironing, here's an easy way to get rid of your wrinkles with a hairdryer. First step, take some water out of the sink with either a spray bottle or you can use your hand and just spray it and wipe it on your shirt. Then take your hairdryer and just start drying your shirt. Alright, so let's see the results. You can see this side is much less wrinkled than this side. Works great. And if you hate ironing altogether and dress shirts like me, check out this dress collar polo. It's a regular polo shirt with a regular English spread collar. Looks awesome under sweaters, and you can even wear a tie with it. If you like this hack, hit like and follow.